Hello everybody, I've had a parent email that I've made 2 mistakes on my first 2 questions. The rest seem to be okay. Really good lesson to check my working. I did do it as a bit of a rush on Friday afternoon and posted it up without editing my work before submitting it. So thank you to the parent for letting me know. My first mistake in adding integers was -5 plus -3 plus +4. So I did the first bit correctly where I said start at -5 and go 3 places to the left. Okay, and negatives obviously moving further to the left along that number line, and we end up on -8. Okay, my mistake was then adding +4. Okay, this time if we start at -8 and go 4 places to the right, because it's a +4, okay, we end up at -4 as our answer. Okay, start at -8, go 4 places to the right. So we're going to go -7, -6, -5, -4. Okay, my second mistake was 57 positive plus -63. Now I did this on a count back system, and that's where I made my mistake, because I went 57 and I counted back 60 and I got to -7, which is wrong. Okay, so I guess an easy way to think about it, even in the count back system, is if you've got $57 to spend and you spend 63, you've spent more than what you've got. Okay, so your answer has to be negative. 57 plus, okay, if you're going back to the left 63, you're going to get somewhere in that negative zone. So now I guess you can look at the difference between the 2 numbers to get your answer. The difference between 57 and 63 is 6. Okay, so I made a mistake with my count back system. If you go 57 plus -63, you can still do the count back system, but I probably went too far with it. If you go 57, it's probably better to count back 50 first. Okay, so from this we're going to go 50 places to the left, which would get me the right answer doing the count back. I did 60 and made a mistake. So if you go 57 and you're going to take away 50, okay, start at 57 positive and go 50 places to the left. So far you're on, okay, thinking, you're still on +7. Okay, so if you've gone 50 places and you have to go 63 in total, how many do you have left to go backwards? Okay, or to the left? We've gone 50 to get us closer to 0, and sometimes that's more workable once you're back closer to 0, see? So you go 50 to the left and we get to +7. How many do we have to go in total to the left? 63. So we have another 13 left that we have to go to the left. 50 and 13 gets us to 63. We've done 50 places back to start with to get us closer to 0. Okay, now we have to go another 13 places to the left. So this is where we use a similar system. You can use a number line and go 7, start at 7 and go 13 places back. Or again, you can say something like, I've got $7 and I spend 13, I have to be negative something, don't I? Okay, and again the difference between 7 and 13 this time is the 6. So you can do it this way. When you say, well, I've got $57 and I spend 63, I have to be in the negative zone. The difference between the 2 numbers is 6. Okay, if you like to get things more visual and you like to maybe use a number line with +7 and -13, okay, 57 and go back your 50 to get you just around the 0 zone at +7. And then you're going to go another 13 places to the left, because you've gone 50 places to the left. but you've got to go 63 in total, so you get another 13 places to the left. Okay, they are my two crucial mistakes. I don't remember the subtractions that I was doing, but we can make up a couple more subtractions for your revision. Okay, we'll do 3 questions. We'll go -11, take away -6. Okay, please do your working. -11, the rule is to add the opposite. Do that line of working, get yourself some marks in the exam, and if you're like me and you make a mistake at the end, you'll still get some marks to show me that you know the rule, okay, and some communication. So if you're at -11 and now you're going to go 6 places to the right, okay, the answer is -5. -11 plus 6 places to the right will get you to -5. Okay, what if you had -76, take away +12? Bigger numbers, show your line of working. -76, remember your starting point must be the same. Your starting point must be the same. Take away is going to turn into add the opposite. So now you're going to have 76 as your starting point and go 12 places to the left. So it's going to be -88. So if you have 76 and you go first of all 10 places to the left, further away from the 0, you get to -76, add 2 more on to get you to -88. Alright, I'm sure my last one would have been a question with 3 terms. Okay. My first line of working is to change everything to add the opposite. So starting point stays the same. Okay, we're going to add the opposite, add the opposite. Okay, so I've done no collecting here. I've just incorporated our rule for subtracting integers of adding the opposite. Okay, so start at -9 and go another 11 places to the left. That gets me to -20. Okay, plus +8 is the rest of our question. -20 plus +8, start at -20 and go 8 places to the right. -12 is our answer. Thank you.